guys, this is a kit of cables that we get with the package. So let's see what we got today. So this should be the CAN bus, and these are the RCAs. We'll connect them to the RCA plugs if you have subwoofers in your car aftermarket. There you go, and this is the SIM card slot. And this is the main power harness, where you'll be connecting the other end of the plug to the factory plug, and this will be going at the back of the unit. I'll show you in a second. Two USBs. This is the reversing camera plug, where if you got a camera from us, you can just connect it to the unit. And this is the factory USB retention plug. This is the Wi-Fi antenna, and this is the GPS aerial, and this is the 4G antenna. So let's see how we connect this. If you take a close look at this, there are two types of USBs. One's a 6-pin and the other one's 4-pin. The slots which are designed for the cables which to fit in, it will be this one here. Here. This is the aftermarket camera plug. So these are the RCAs which they have their particular slot to go in. There we go. That's the main power harness. So you have to connect the CAN bus. There is only one plug going from the main power harness. Just make sure you connect the CAN bus to activate all the features. It just clicks in with one end. There we go. It's back. In this case, we'll just ignore this radio antenna because we already got the radio antenna plug-in built in the car. We're just plugging that into the slot here. So now you connect the CAN bus, and there is a CAN bus power connector to the actual unit. Take this wire, and there's a dedicated slot for that. Just click it in. There we go. And this is for the microphone. We'll be installing that in a minute. All we need is a plastic removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's start by taking out this plastic trim off that and try to lift it. There we go. And pull it. All the clips. Just pull it out. That comes out. Just put it aside. When you're done removing this, just try to take off this plastic trim here. So these are all held by clips, so you just have to be gentle so that you don't break any plastics. There we go. When you're done taking the main plastic trim and the AC control module out, we can just leave them there because you need to take out two screws from either side of the unit. Here, if you can see, we've got one screw here, the one there, and another one here. Just try to pop your edge off your plastic removal tool. There we go. You can just pull it from the top and it comes off, and you don't need to take out the clips or anything. Just leave it at the back like that so that we have access to remove these two screws at the top. We can just try to pull the unit out. It should come off. There we go. There we go. That's all that. Alright guys, when you take the head unit out, you need to transfer the clips, these plastic clips from all the four sides, and one is at the center, to the new frame. Edge, and just pull it out, and you should take out these clips. And they're all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. this will be the main power plug where we'll be connecting this one there. There we go. Guys, I've got two USBs into the glove box. So I've got the microphone running up here from the bottom of the steering wheel, GPS in this corner, and you can also run it to a better place if you believe you have better reception. There we go. Before locking in, just make sure we put the climate control back in position. Screw all the four ends of this thing. Alright guys, it's time to turn on the power and check it out.